Bro, Nigerians, I ain't gonna lie, are the funniest people ever, bro. I can't lie. If I was to die and reincarnate again and I'm not Nigerian, I'm gonna have to throw a fit, man. Because as much as I hate my people, respectfully, and how obnoxious we are, how corrupted we are, just how stupid we can be at times, we could also be very smart, very intelligent, just very funny. And that's God just exemplified that. Why he was doing that scene at an airport, I don't know. It's just hilarious laughing at people like that, knowing that, bro, somehow, some way, from long lost relatives or whatever, we're gonna somehow be related. And I have those genes in me, so don't get me tired, or else I'm gonna throw a fit like him.